Rates are going up. International postage rates remain unchanged. From cents to dollars, the stock market opens tomorrow at an all-time high. Yes, we know you've heard that before. Both the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ broke records on Friday. Indeed, the NASDAQ, overloaded as it is with high-tech companies, has been setting records on an almost daily basis, fueled in part by a stampede to internet companies, companies that do or hope to do business on the web. Never has so much money been spent on companies making so little. Here's ABC's J.B. Floyd.
The internet is the hottest sector for stock market investors, even though most web companies have yet to turn a profit. Shares of Yahoo, the internet directory, tripled in value in 1998. And shares of Amazon.com, which sells books on the internet, have increased so much that the value of its stock is now greater than the value of retail giants Barnes & Noble and Borders Books combined. The surge in internet stock sales can be attributed in large part to short-term investors. And there are no shorter-term investors than day traders like those in this room. They buy a stock and sell it within hours, if not minutes.
We're in it for a couple minutes, a couple seconds sometimes.
Sometimes, 15 minutes, is a long time, especially with these internets, because in 15 minutes they could go up and down 10 points easy.
Market reforms and access to the internet have created a whole new breed of trader. Only an estimated 15,000 earn a living by day trading, but they are leaving their mark on the market.
Yeah, I like this screen. This screen is very nice.
All they need to trade is a computer, a pot of cash between $30,000 and $75,000, and a lot of nerve. Nerve to move quickly, up to 400 times a day, in and out of stocks, hoping to profit from split-second variations in price.
It's gambling. You got to be prepared to take a hit, but there's a lot of potential there. It's not for everyone. You gotta have a stomach for it.
While the big Wall Street firms have jumped on board, by some estimates, day traders and other short-term investors account for 3/4 of the trading of internet stocks like Yahoo and Amazon.com. And Amazon is the story everyone is talking about, already selling at 200 times what analysts originally predicted the earnings would be in 2001. Though it is yet to see a penny of profit, at Friday's close, Amazon shares were selling at $160, up almost 50% in the first week of the new year.
In a word, astronomical. These are probably the most expensive stocks in history relative to the current performance.
Short-term investors are making big profits based on the volatility of internet stocks. But the fear is that the company's profits may not catch up to their promise. Jamie Floyd, ABC News, Montvale, New Jersey.
British tabloid The Mirror reports today that the photographers who followed Princess Diana into a Paris tunnel the night she died will not be charged with manslaughter. The paper does say that some of them may face a lesser charge of failing to provide help at the accident scene. ABC News has been unable to confirm that report, but a source close to the case tells us the investigation by French authorities is not finished. Investigators still gathering evidence, studying the Mercedes, studying the records of cell phone conversations made that night from the tunnel in Paris.